Yani utukudhuranite kiri nteto cia weru thaa ithatu. Wakili Linda Kiome ura uthuri kuyukia kanya ka munini wa gavana kwithira kiungo mori ni mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru. Abangani ba kiama kiu ndiye Meru utumire kuthamene kiama kiu bakiumeneria utongeria bwakio. Kiri aro siasa turumurega kuchinde shumirite kiama kiu ndiye kaunti ne ya Meru. Akaribali njoka kure ki WS baria sarera be kirine njoira baithukire utuku bokera rwari. Wakili Linda Kiome ura wendekethetwo tuika munini wa gavana kaunti na Meru rukirerwa Alhamisi na kinyere mbere ya kamiti ya wandikani ya mbunge ya Meru kungo mauri kenda kuoneka kwethirwa na umbani bokuyuria kanya kau. Linda akiaria wite akethira kiritanire ngwe na gavana Mutumantu Ethingene kinya kumuwati utungata kariba kaunti ya Meru. Hamana bau nethirite akiwa ntho baba ki siasa nebo ethirite bakiwa na regeti kuma obisine kinya mbere ya kungo mauri akiwa biatho bironekete mbere ya muingi ni gavana Mutumana munini wa rais Kithure Kindiki bethirite baimu watu weni na rombete kamete uko mwaka anya kau kenda kwithira itungata kaunti ya Meru. Mutugikare na ribotie.
Muthenya jwanarwanire wakili Linda Kiome ura worotini gavana Mutumantu Ethingene ari munini wawe akuthunjagwa ni mbunge ya Meru arethire akiurwa biuria nkabo begeni obisi werigeri gutonya na tugitega jamwe jama chokyo jawe ni mutongerero ugite kia mbere atonya obisine akethira kingatana na manifesto na kiroto kia munene wake gieni Meru.
Is very intentional on issues of agriculture. He has brought in investors to invest in agriculture. He is also very intentional on youth issues. We are facing a lot of unemployment in youths, and I have seen that he is very intentional on ensuring that the backbone of our economy, agriculture, youth, and also issues of health and building infrastructure in health has been alleviated. So I would prioritize on prioritizing his vision, manifesto, and agenda.
Kingi wakili Linda na ugite ukanyumene negukujeri kuria kwigona gatigati ka gavana na munini wawe na kiuga undu tabobo kwaja gwichokera kirathithia neguchwantaira na njira ya kwaraniria bagitumaira njira ya kindene bate kuringithia uritingu gikiri mwingi indi akiuga kuringana uronete gavana Ethingene kwegitarira jokia wathani nethirite ikarabwega na tongeria akibejaga gitio na kou atino gua nawe.
Having such dialogue, I would think ensuring that we have mediation, internal dispute resolution mechanisms, they always help, so that where two people are not able to agree, then a third party can come in and assist in resolving the issues. And that is how I'd look at it in that front.
Bwakuongera wakili Linda na ugite moroto jonge negotigira wandi cionthe chikuona mirandi ya weti na mbere ng'anene kirimbanjeti na nkorokia akiwa kuri na gitumi kia obisi ya munini wa gavana kwithira iri na kigina kia gutetheria gavana kuingia manifesto jawe akiuga ukanyumene mutumari gavana atonaga kinya nduru ya gwita maturene kwaraniria na kari.
The deputy governor, now His Excellency the Governor, how he was stifled because he did not have a budget. He was not able to work well. He was not able to engage with the members of the community, and that brought up a prolonged dispute between the office of the governor and the office of the deputy governor.
Muthiene wa Kiririnda na thereti ati kuma ari kuorotwo ta munini wa ngavana we atatonya obisi kana ritangugia obisi eu toria nguto chethirite igitambua na akiuga na araretaga micemano no karethagira arikine ngavana.
It is not true that I have already taken office. The public appearances I have made were made through invitation of the governor himself as a visitor.
Kuma mbunge ya Meru gicigo mbunge kia North nkiripotera ndeto cia weru riakwa rietwa ni Mutungi Kare.
Pamo bakiama kia UDA ni baumirite na kuwa boni barekite kwebela kiamene kiu bakere buwite kiama kiti na mutaratara baitariria bare runguro medical ntururo rekite kwebela UDA nikinyabo ni barekite kuthama kuluki ni berete nture kuritana gwena tongeria bangi bomero reo kabira mwangaza siasa ni siite kenda konia Meru mwerekera iyo kisiasa.
Bye bye UDA bye bye bye.
Abangani bakiama UDA Meru ni batumirite kuthama kiamene kiu bakimeneria utongeria bwakyo kaunti ya Meru.
Nture ndi kondreta UDA ndene Southiment na ndi member wa UDA ndene Meru County. Tuna members babangi baraja kondreta kuma sub county mwanya. Turaja ntukwa narua kuga kiama UDA atoke thama. Nonto bakwethira kiama UDA gitategera ngugira twagitere.
Bawitora wari mutongeria wo medical nture na ngiro kiamene kiu ndakinya manifesto wa kiama ne chenchiro nyuma Rais Ruto kuluka na kuyuko tongere bandi guru ya Kenya.
Tukumire UDA no ntuba manifesto lakini along the way itureire kuona manifesto era yakaya terwe ni utongeria bo UDA brabo ikuo na thai manifesto era bo tumira ntikuona ya ibu kuona yayo tutikuona ya manifesto era batu twaringire kura nera to believe kire turitongeria ba Meru County nonto for example kailia ya universal health care president candidate twatwirire tukethera twina affordable mantu ya yogima bamwiri ya ka sorted out lakini tuikuona yu kuma immediately oreo ambire kuthangalania NHIF and to improve atumira millions of money kuturetera nate witwa kureta sha lakini antu ibarete thina mono no bakure thina no ntubwa sha na antu babengi nyibombete okwa no ntubwa that change of guard manifesto ni area manto amainge affordable housing itukona affordable housing ira tueneke manifesto teo yeyo tumirwa thai itweri mwananchi akaimarika yani akethire na mbecha mubukone lakini itukona mwananchi ura wande buru nwa kumia
na tunama leo nonto bakwethira tongere burabo ikiamene kunde na Meru County no tongere botete ne bwega na no tongeria kinya bote komba ukinyira ground ine no tatongere baba embere bamwe betu betire example CS kana senator Mithika Ntore na thamire takiamene binge nau na batu tingo itomushokere nkatho nonto bakwethira naro ni rali mbere UDA ndene Meru twite bwega na thama ciitira
mtura tutonyerie kiamene kia UDA former CS Mithika Ntore twinde itukumenya burathitherwe Gen Z etare na thina na Mithika Ntore Gen Z yare na thina na the president himself kwa ukethira kwe mtu abati kuma umara ko step aside noe ata abati kuturutira CS eto nontu itukumyangwira inyayo ngwa amuritirite ne are nyinge
kulukine bamenerete thirikari ya Kenya kwanza na ntobo witia kohoti kiutate na wirane bwayo bakiuria Kenya kuthigira ground na kuthama kiamene kiu
tukatega tukona kinyariti bangu na baba ya payslip betre no ntora bagita kwa payslip embeseki pambira kugitwa gross na antu bainge bandena Kenya na andikwa bonde ba nyere ka kinyambangi cio batitaga jonto ibaere oba committed na tukona thirikari ujo ure turete thithirie na ngicoka kuongera nkiugaga antu bonde batwarinje state ba UDA bonde groundine ibeberete na tukubera thai kuma narua gote UDA ndene ground
bakithetera ura wari ngavana Meru Kawira Mwangaza bwite thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza iwite yati utongeria bwa ikuru indi kaitene kani bari mustari ni ombere kwangaikie ikuru Kenya.
The UDA administration is after killing women leadership. Nkiaya na nye example mwaka na yele itukona UDA mantiare kudiria Gloria Orobia from in Nairobi at the Senate pakwendo mwenga tuno ntoba weto pokea ankoke in the airport. Sasa tunauliza ibyo twasainire we ya Meru kuongwa itukona MCAs baraba ba championire kuimpeach kwa the former governor wa from UDA. My due itwa promise itwe Kenya manifesto that mto aka support utongeria bwekuru urakuku
na mwekuru I respected akethera kwebuo the former governor bakwethera abwethetie buko inyilia kinya thirikari ya UDA kana thirikari kana kinya nto babange baikuo netwe arirwe na atritwe with dignity kenda tutikoni barabange ana ari barabai na unja na ngekuruira kinya ikwendie matunda na araura ende no nto bato tukumaria kia mene kiito anto beto na arabu ende bure tukonenkanira nyanguo cio tukonenkanira nya mauku na nya barua cio ndo tukonenkanira
watu manake Nairobi kwa
siu barua
nya barua ikausi appointment letters
siu
Kisha maneno
Ngucanio ncokanĩrĩro cia mĩario na nkirithano nĩ cionekete gũka rĩngĩ kĩamene kĩa Mbas maumĩrĩro kiumia kĩ Alhaji Mwendirwa niwe mwandĩki mũnene wa kĩama kĩu Rwang'ĩ Meru na umĩre na kũmenyerera thirikari nene bunene akibera bayukiĩte kĩa mbundi ya mauta kĩrĩa kĩnekire itumurungi kwethirikio kĩa Bethia Nkombo ĩrĩa yonekete kũmenyererwo bunene nĩ MC wa Bogeta West DMK Kĩogora DMK nĩrĩte Alhaji areke kwarĩria mantu ya kĩama kĩa Mbas na kinya kwarĩria itumurungi na ntukĩrĩtwo nĩ mũtongoria na enda aciarĩria ariwe wengwa kĩũria kĩrĩa nĩ atĩrĩ mwerekera yo kĩama kĩa Mbas nĩ yũrĩkũ rono rũrũ thuranĩri nĩ Phineas Imana.
Ni basi kiruma muthieno ya mwaka yo 2021 na buhu ibo basi kuruma nende kaiteneka utinkanja boni kone nende ngari na thine batire kwa ilwa muthieno ya mwaka yo 2021 urawari ngabana wa county ya Meru Kirito Murungi na ryukirie bas kana Devolution Empowerment Party kire kiama kirari ngitumira kurwira gitikyo ngabana wa county ya Meru nobwo kenganyara bwithia bona kiama kikirethira kikiwa tainya bukatha bainge baitonya kikyo kikurwira itimonya mwanya
Mbas itipa kwa kairi Mbas itikumburithanwa Mbas itikarwendwa
amona bugu manto ya tethire ya gita boye ya kiamene kiu oreni ndikwa kaita kurethirite gukioneka nkuchenio chano abatire utungeria wakili Mugambi Manyara akioneka ukotha kothia utungeria bwa kiama kiu kia Bas kuri tariki 25 mweri wa mwakene yo 2025 bakiaria baintere cha county Embu akiama kia Bas baria mwene Kirito Murungi na Kinyata itazintochio ne baugira bo batikoneka bahaniri kwithira bakiwata na Iran na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza bo bakiwa kinyane kumaniana mathina ya Kenya bakwithira baikulukaira rungu rotungeria ba thirikari u
seen young people being abducted. We are not happy as a party to see that happening in this country. I mean, there are people complaining about healthcare system. It was in their manifesto that there will be universal healthcare, which was a good intention by the president and his UDA and Kenya Kwanza team. But you've seen challenges. Those challenges, you know, Kenyans are suffering. We have seen university funding model, which has been tampered with somehow. I read in the media yesterday that 4% of our youth joining KMTC were not able to join because they cannot raise the fees. They are not able to do the fund. So unless those issues are unraised, we cannot support them. And we have to be very clear. We cannot support Kenyans, Kenya Kwanza, if they are not addressing the issues that Kenyans are complaining about.
Kirito Murungi na lene kiputi baralingi la muchumari kirmurungamo yu kiama kiu kia Bas.
Bas Party is non-aligned. The Bas Party is autonomous. The Bas Party is independent. We are currently not in any formal coalition with any political party.
We exist alone. and we are not going to merge with any other party until Jesus comes.
Ntuko inkaindiru kireto murungi arethira akioneka baina rais ndeni ya garu yeki na kinya muchemanione yu atungeria bakuma miru yurayo eki garune ya rais. Utaalamu wa siasa Oscar Mutugi akiwa potio ntobu batere inyotira ntu iba ukuchenkingo na kwenda kona kana yukonkuruki na ntu kireito no edira gita garune na weka gekaro na rais kagita konde.
Kireito murungi kinyageta State House. It can be there on many for many reasons. Kireito murungi it's a person wa National Health Corporation. Imonene wa Center for Multi-Party Democracy, Commissioner wa Law Reforms Commission, kwithiro ari State House, itipati kinya kwithiro ina any political connotation. Kirito Murungi is not a stranger to William Ruto.
Yeah.
Na ito kumenya tu inthe William Ruto na consultant to Japau, to be na institutional memory for not just Meru County, but the entire country.
Sure.
Na servite Justice Minister, na servite Energy Minister, na kwithiro agita baria na President once in a while. Ito kumenya no wago push ke some of the many MOUs irachi asaini na the previous government ya Uhuru Kenyatta, including level 5 na duokari jizi ntu icheskumi sana.
Ende pura nende po edire po kiare ke bangi ne kodora wari munini wo kieta Titus Ntochio kwa Rigathi Gachagua ntere cha Munyoro. Oscar orengi akiwa akutina thina buru na tionto batere kinyabuo kucheria ogambi papaingi.
Titus Ntochio is a Kenyan and a right ya ku associate kweta wa Munyoro does not mean anything as at now. Tobati go observe wa Munyoro na relationship yawe way down along the road. Titha easy.
Alhaji Mwendia ntuko ne charua oneka kutharikira boka thirikari na njira ya kumeneria gitikira kireitwe thiriti akine Nkairwa na kione kya mukarigiti wa mauta ne kyo National Oil Corporation of Kenya ara Alhaji Wire ne ndetiki ne kyande muno kwithira kikine Nkairwa kiribas bo Alhaji Abuwe terua kinya kithira itiki kya Nkairwa kaita kara yakakulukite.
It's a shell. No, kwera yere. It's a shell. Actually, okay, we're going to 28, 29. In our delegates convention, there's an insult to the bus. Kuva bus driver no kwai. A shell to Ruto Haju Kiana Kramutungu Rakwanda. It's such an insult. We are taring Gago Tantareki 29 in a written statement. As the Secretary General of the bus party in Meru. Kera Ruto, there are better things he could have given the bus.
DMK Kyogora urakinyani umuhatungeria kiameniki kya bus akioneka kuringira miario ruone na kuabuti ugeka na murungamo